I have performed my project at the Faculty of Health and Medical Sciences, University of Copenhagen. My project was pain relief of methylene blue studied in 3 different rat pain models: the acute, the neuropathic, and the inflammatory pain model. Previous animal studies have proved that both nitric oxide and cyclic GMP are molecules that contribute, among others, to pain sensitization. Methylene blue blocks the production of both nitric oxide and cyclic GMP. So this inhibition accounts for the methylene blue potential analgesic effect in these 3 pain models: acute, neuropathic, and inflammatory, which was the hypothesis of the project. After the development of these 3 pain models, the thermal and mechanical hypersensitivity was measured with 2 behavioral methods. As a baseline value when the rats were withdrawing their paw after implementing some stimulus. So the potential analgesic effect of methylene blue was investigated after administration with the 4x4 Latin square experimental design. As you can see here at this figure down here, 4 different doses were administered, which was 0, 10, 20, and 30 milligram per kilo. In 4 different rats in 4 different test days. As for an example, the first test day, rat number 1 was getting dose number 1, rat number 2, dose 2, and so on. So the next day, test day, rat 1 was taking dose number 2, and rat 2, dose number 3, and so on. So all of the rats at the end of the experiment were taking all of the doses in a randomized, blinded, crossover way. And the effect of methylene blue was measured. The results were that methylene blue exhibited statistical significance at 10 and or 20 and or 30 milligram per kilo compared to placebo. But no statistical significance difference in analgesic effect was detected among the different doses. As you can see here at these 2 graphs, the effect of methylene blue in mechanical and thermal hypersensitivity of the neuropathic pain model is shown. And we can see that the max effect of 20 and 30 milligram per kilo was noticed at 15 minutes and 45 minutes after methylene blue administration. And we can also see that this effect was significant compared to placebo. So the same pattern is noticed at the other models as well, the acute and the inflammatory pain model. So in conclusion, methylene blue demonstrated analgesia in these 3 pain models, but no dose dependence was observed because these doses were too high to form a complete S-shape curve, dose response curve. So we can see that these doses are located at the plateau of maximal efficacy, which means that they are not able to increase further the analgesia. But it is very important that methylene blue demonstrated this effect, and for the future perspective, lower doses, as for an example 2, 4, and 6 milligram per kilo, could be more appropriate to be tested. Thank you very much.